Assalamu alaikum to all the students. This is our English language class and I'm your English teacher Sidra. Today we are having lecture number 31. As you know that we have completed lecture 30 lectures of English language, and this is the topic about subject verb agreement, that in this whole sentence we have subject, verb and object. Okay, these are the different parts of the sentences. How and why should subject and verb should agree to each other? Okay, how we will use verb according to the subject. Okay, and why subject should agree with verb, we will know here in this topic. Subjects and verbs must agree with one another in number, singular or plural. Okay. Thus, if a subject is singular, its verb must also be singular. If a subject is plural, its verb must also be plural. Means in a sentence, if we are using singular subject, so we should have use singular verb over there. Okay, like v1 s or es, how we use like this. Okay, you all know that in present simple we use singular subjects के साथ we use always verb v1. Okay, present form of the verb s or es according to the subject. Why? Because we want subject and verb should agree with each other. If they will not agree with each other, it means you are making some mistakes in the sentence. So to write or to make correct sentences, subject and verb must agree with one another in numbers, singular or plural. If a subject is singular, then the verb must also be singular, and if a subject is plural, means more than one, so the verb must also be plural verb. See the example over here. Subject verb agreement example is, you can see here at the left side, subject and verb are agreeing with each other. How? Two dogs are. Okay, if we complete the sentence that two dogs are having meal, so how should we write, how should we use verb in the sentence according to the subject, that two dogs are eating or having meal. We cannot write two dogs is eating or having meal. Okay, yeah, two dogs are sitting on the grass. We cannot write two dogs is sitting on the grass. Okay, we have to use plural verb according to the plural subject. Similarly, at the right side you can see there's only one dog is here, so one dog is sitting on the grass. We cannot write one dog are sitting on the grass, then it will be the wrong sentence. We will use plural verb over here. So this is simply subject verb agreement, that you have to use plural verb when you are using plural subject, and singular verb when you are using singular subject in the sentence. If you are not having this agreement between verb and subject, so the sentence will be wrong, totally wrong. Okay, now you can see here, a can of lima beans sits on the shelf. Means we are talking about the subject and the verb here. As we know, the topic is subject verb agreement. Okay, we have to see the agreement between subject and a verb. They should both have having singular forms. Okay, a can means one single can of lima beans. This is prepositional phrase, or you can say that it is a kind of, which kind of can it was. Okay, so a can of lima beans sits. We are talking about one. Okay, singular subject, so we have to use v1 s or es according to the spellings. So we have to use present form of the verb here because we have singular subject. Similarly, the verb sits agrees with the subject can, not with beans. We don't have to see this beans over here. We have to see the subject. Okay, this is the phrase which is describing the subject further. ठीक है, ये वो सेंटेंस है, ये वो फ्रेज है, prepositional phrase है, that which is describing this subject. But subject क्या है? We have the subject can. Okay, we don't have to see beans over here, we have to see the subject over here. Okay, when we will see the subject, we should not be confused in that कि हमें तो beans देखना है. No, beans are plural. No, we have to see the subject actually. If the subject is singular, you have to use singular verb. If the subject is it can be that cans of lima beans sit on the shelf. Now we can use sit over here because we are talking about cans, plural form of the subject. See the second example, the women who went to the meeting were bored. Okay, means we are talking here plural subject. Okay, women, this is plural form of women. Okay, we are talking about more than one women. So we have to use here plural verb, which will not be was, it will be were, because for plural we use were, not was. So these two things, subject and verb, should agree with each other. Then only your sentence will be correct. The verb were agrees with the subject women, not with meeting. We are not talking about the singular meeting. We are talking about the subject, which is women, which is plural, and we have to use here plural verb. Okay, now see subject verb agreement. The subject of a sentence is who or what a sentence is about. Okay, the doer of the work, you may say, about whom we are talking in the sentence. This is called the subject. The verb is the action in the sentence. The subject and verb must work together to agree. This makes the sentence sound good. Okay, if the subject and verb, they have mutual understanding, they have mutual agreement with each other, then only the sentence sounds good. Rule number 1 is, if the noun is singular, then you will add a s to the verb as we have done over here. If the subject is singular, you have to use s with the verb. Okay, s or es according to the spelling, you may say. Okay, so you have to use s to the verb. The girl jumps rope at recess. Okay, you are using here subject singular, so you have to use v1 plus s over here. Rule number 2 is, if the noun is plural, then the verb has no s at the end. Means if you are using girls over here, so you will not use s or es here with the v1. Okay, the girls jump rope at recess. Yes, here are some exceptions. I and you are the exception. I and you are both singular subjects. Okay, when you when you use them, you don't add an s to the end of this verb. These are two exceptions. I and you, these are two accepted or exceptional subjects with whom we don't use s or es with v1. Okay, these are the only exceptional subject, okay, with which we don't use s or es with present form of the verb. I jump rope at recess. This is singular, but here according to the exception we don't use s here. You also, you jump rope at recess, ये वो दो exceptional cases हैं when we don't use s or es with v1 with subject. यहाँ आकर हमारे पास limitation आ जाती है कि we cannot use s or es here with I and you. ये exceptional सब्जेक्ट्स हैं हमारे पास जिसके साथ हम एस और एस यूज नहीं करते या नहीं करेंगे. ओके, नाउ टेक आउट योर copies. Okay, everybody take out your copies so that we can start the written work here. I told you that all of you have all your language copy, book, stationery box with yourself when you are going to take your lecture, any lecture you are taking. Okay, you must have your books, copies, stationaries, pen filled with the inks. Okay, now open your books, page number 36. Page number 36 of your book, exercise 4C. Okay, exercise 4C, page number 36. Are you all with me? Are you all with me? Topic name is subject verb agreement. Topic name is subject verb agreement. Okay, And this is page number 36, exercise 4C. Everything is also written on the screen. Okay, you can see over here, as well as you have to open your books also. Yes, what you have to do over here, choose the correct verb from the brackets and put it in the blank spaces. According to the subject, you have to identify which singular, either singular or plural verb you have to select and put in the blanks. Okay, according to the subject, if the subject is singular, then you have to choose singular verb from here. If the subject is plural, then you have to use plural verb from the bracket and put it in the blank spaces. I know that each boy dash a bicycle means we are talking about each boy, a single boy. So you have to use singular verb over here. Yes, Mohammed Ahmad Hassan, you have to do it right now. Yes, Jayakumar, you have to write it down in your copy. First, you will make index. Okay, you have to make index according to this slide exercise numbers. Okay, write down the date today. Topic name is subject verb agreement. In topic column in index, you have to mention exercise 4C, page number 36. Okay, write it down in your index and then open your copies. Make a title page of the topic name, subject verb agreement. You should be very fast. Yes, but have you all made the title page? I hope you all have made the title page. Then start with the very next page. Put heading of this exercise 4C, page number 36 at the red border of the page. Where you have made title page, at the next page, you have to give heading of this exercise and page number at the red border. Yes, Muhammad Ali. Yes, Ramla, what you are asking? Yes, Muhammad Ali, you have to make the index of all three exercises. Okay, because we will inshallah complete today all three exercises. Okay, Ramla, just a second. Yes,
अस्सलाम वालेकुम टीचर।
ma'am.
मिस वो मुझे आपसे कहना था मिस, मेरी जो पुरानी इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज कॉपी है मिस, मेरी वो खत्म हो गई है। तो मिस मेरे पास वो 6 क्लास की मेरे पास ऑलरेडी एक साइंस की कॉपी है। तो मिस मैंने उसको इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज कॉपी बना दी है।
Okay, fine.
लेकिन मिस
Okay.
इसके अंदर ब्लैंक पेज है साइंस कॉपी के अंदर, तो मिस हो जाएगा?
Having the interleaf pages also over there because it's your science copy.
यस।
Yes, it will not be acceptable.
ओके।
Okay, you have to buy new. You have to buy new one because in science copy you will be having interleaf pages. Yes, Sanya Salim, do you want to ask something?
मिस मुझे टीचर मुझे पूछना था कि ये जो हमारी कॉपीज है वो
Try
स्कूल
to
से
speak in
मिलेंगी
English.
हमें या
Try to speak in English. Yes.
मिस मिस
Huh?
आर कॉपी मिस वी विल बाय द कॉपीज फ्रॉम स्कूल।
Uh, you have to first ask from here. I don't know this thing.
Or miss your screen, miss I can understand you. Your screen is disappearing again and again.
What you are not getting? What you are not understanding?
Miss, I miss your screening in my phone. Your screening is disappearing again and again,
Okay, it
and I didn't
happens.
see the exercise.
Yes, because of internet connection, sometimes it happens. Okay, just wait for 2-3 seconds. It will become okay. Okay.
Miss, can you show me the exercise again?
Okay, fine. These are the exercise. The screen it is on the screen.
Okay, miss.
Okay. Yes, Ms. Eva, do you want to ask something? Yes, Ms. Eva. Who is this Sajjad Thakur? First, kindly rename your ID, okay? Then ask me the question. Otherwise, I will not reply these irrelevant students. Okay, now come to the first exercise. If you will take so much time for these explanations, so how we will do the written work? You have to be very quick, okay? Write down the question first, choose the correct word from the brackets and put it in the blank spaces. Write down this question also, then start writing. So message Sajjad, you have to rename your ID, bete. How will I mark the attendance if you will be you will be not renaming your ID? Yes, Sania, you have to make the title page also. I have already told you all these things. First, write down the index, then make the title page, and then come to the next page. Give heading of exercise 4C, page number 36 at the red border. Okay, and with the very next line, you have to write down this question, which is written at the top. Okay, you have to write down this question first, then start writing. Hurry up, very fast. You have to do this work. Romesa, you have to rename your ID. Make title page of subject verb agreement. Okay, Nuseba. Okay, fine. Then also okay. If you are not making title page, you are just giving heading on the top, it is also okay. But you should make the title page with the next topics. Okay, this is the routine. This is the style of our working, that you have to make the title page of every new topic. You know all these things. Now hurry up, start writing the exercise. See here, I know that each boy means we are talking about one singular boy. Okay, one single boy means we have to use has from this bracket, because have is used for plural and has is used for singular. Okay, I know that each boy has a bicycle and that each have a pump on his bicycle, means here we are talking about all the boys. Okay, each, and that each have a pump on his bicycle. Here we are talking about each boy, and here we are talking about all the boys. See the sense over here, and then put the right verb from the brackets in the blank spaces. Yes, number 2 is each of those very old books is. Each of those very old books is, because we are talking about old books में से कोई एक book. Okay. Yes, Arham, you have to write down all 10. Why you people are asking so many questions? The time you are wasting in typing these comments, you should start writing the exercise. Seventh, each of those rooms is big enough to hold 40 desks. Why it is wrong? Acha, listen, now look into your books first. Everybody look into your books first. See where it is written number 2, vocabulary exercise 4C, each. When each comes before a noun or pronoun or is used by itself, the verb is singular. Means where each is coming before a noun or a pronoun. ठीक है, noun or pronoun से पहले if we are using word each, ठीक है, then the subject is singular. ठीक है, whenever we are having, see here, the boy is noun. Okay, noun से पहले each आ रहा है तो we have to select singular verb from here. अगर noun के बाद आ रहा है तो we have to use plural verb from here. It is the simple way to find out whether it is singular or plural. That if each is before the noun or pronoun, then you have to select singular verb from here. And if each is after the noun or pronoun, you have to select plural verb from here. See, boy is a noun and each is before noun, so you have to select from here singular verb. And that is a pronoun. Okay, that is a pronoun which is used for boys here. Okay, pronouns are the words that are used instead of noun. हम boys की जगह that को use कर रहे हैं, तो it is a pronoun. और pronoun के बाद each आ रहा है तो you have to use Plural, you have to select plural verb from here in the bracket. ठीक है? This is the simplest way to find out whether it is singular or plural. Again here number 2, each of those very old books are noun, okay, and each is coming before the noun. If each is coming, you have to select is from here because it's singular, and if it is coming after pronoun or for itself also. If you see in the book, there is a line before a noun or pronoun or is used by itself, कि अगर वो अपने लिए ही यूज किया जा रहा है, no before noun or pronoun, यहाँ तो ना noun है ना pronoun है, so it is used for itself, then again you have to use singular verb from the bracket. From here also you will select singular verb, from here also you will select singular verb. Okay Ari, just a second. Yes Ari.
मिस मुझे ये कहना था कि जो ब्लैंक नंबर 7 है ना वो रॉन्ग है, यहाँ पे ब्रिंग और ब्रिंग्स लिखा हुआ है और जो अंडरलाइन वो वहाँ पे ब्रिक्स लिखा हुआ है, तो जरा इसको आप चेक कर लें.
Number 7, each girl
जी
usually brings her own link. अच्छा मैंने, if I have written wrong, no Arif, it is right. Each is coming before the girl, okay, each is coming before noun, so we have to select. Okay, spelling is mistake. If you are talking about the spelling, it's okay. Okay, fine. Yes, spelling is wrong. It's okay now.
यस मिस.
Okay, fine. Thank you so much.
थैंक्स सो मच.
Yes. See, in each and every blank, when each is coming before noun or pronoun or for itself, then you will have to select singular verb from the brackets, और अगर each pronouns या nouns के बाद आ रहा है तो you have to select plural verb from the bracket. This is the simplest way to complete this exercise. ठीक है? You can see in every sentence each is coming before the noun or pronoun, so you have to select singular verb, or if it is coming after noun or pronoun, so you have to select plural. Here again, here seen will come. Have you all done this exercise? Obviously Rumesa, but try to learn how to rename your ID. Okay, अभी तो मैं mark कर दूंगी, but you have to rename your ID whenever you are getting in the lecture. Okay, today I'll mark your attendance, otherwise you have to take your lecture by renaming your ID. अच्छा, all of you, as we don't have so much time for this, ठीक है, तो we should switch to the next exercise. You can complete it at your home. ठीक है, आप इसको बाद में घर पे भी complete कर सकते हैं by whatever I have explained. Come to the next exercise. Leave the first exercise. Now come to the next one. Page number 186, exercise 16G. If you will follow what I am telling you, your work will be completed on time. अगर आप एक ही चीज से stuck होकर रह जाएंगे and you will be saying मिस पहले वाली example और exercise show कर दें, तो it will be wasting our time. Okay, very good Aisha. Try to listen me very carefully so that you won't be having so many questions by the next time. ठीक है, जितना गौर से मुझे सुनेंगे आपके questions उतने ही easily respond हो सकेंगे और आपका टाइम भी वेस्ट नहीं होगा. वेरी गुड सानिया, शाबाश. Now come to the page number 186. Everybody open your books. Page number 186. Page number 186, exercise 16G. We use a singular verb after every. Okay, whenever you will be having every boy, every girl, every desk, every pen, Okay, so you have to use singular verb whenever you are having this word every. Okay, put in the correct simple present form of the verb in brackets. You have got some words in the brackets. You have to select first form of all these words. These are not the first form. Okay, कभी होंगे कभी नहीं भी होंगे. Okay, you would be confused. आप कभी कभी आपको कंफ्यूज करने के लिए फर्स्ट फॉर्म ही गिवन होगी, बट यू हैव टू राइट डाउन द फर्स्ट फॉर्म इन द डैश इन द blanks. See number one, everybody. B. Acha, B we have. I have already given you some example on the board when we were having physical classes, that B is for possession, for the existence of anything. Okay, B का means होना, किसी चीज का पाया जाना, किसी चीज की existence. The first form of be is MR. Second form is was and were, and third form is has, have, been. Okay, been first form is MR. Second form is was and were. You can make the tree also. Okay, आप वो जो एक फ्लो चार्ट और ट्री टाइप बनता है, you can also make like this. ठीक है, everybody we have to use simple present form. So B first form is MR, and we have to use everybody is fond of soup. Every week first form of have is has, because it is singular. It is also first form. It is also first form. Okay, this is also has and have, both are simple present form. Past form is had, and third form is also had been. Okay, so this is also first form, but here we have only singular subject. Okay, this is not weeks, this is week. ठीक है, every week has 7 days. Every pupil means student. Okay, no pupils, s नहीं है, we have only singular subject. Every pupil is at school today. Every bus has wheels on it. Everything is tidy in his room. Everybody likes a cool drink on a hot days. Everyone wants. See, you are having singular subject, so you have to make it singular verb. और want के साथ we always use s. Okay, we will use s here as we have done the rule previously. Everyone wants to go swimming tomorrow. I am sure that everybody is pleased with you now. I think everyone in this room knows how to count to 20. Every house has windows in it. I am giving you 2-3 minutes to complete this exercise. Very quickly you have to write it down. If anybody is having any confusion, any question, you can ask me right now, because we won't be having time at the end. At the end of the lecture, maybe we will not get the time of giving you the responses. So ask me whatever you want to ask right now. Very good, Rida Rahim, very fast. Shabash. You people are just about to complete 7th class. Okay, आप about to go into 8th class हैं. Okay, so you should increase the speed of your writing. Okay, reading अपनी writing को please जल्दी जल्दी improve करने की कोशिश कीजिए, so that you can cope up with all these situations which we are having right now. Very good, Nusaiba. Everybody hurry up, complete this so that we can start exercise number 3. So tomorrow we will be having a very short exercise of the topic of tomorrow's topic. Maybe I'll give you the time of completing this exercise tomorrow also. ठीक है, मैं कल भी इसके लिए थोड़ा सा टाइम दे दूंगी, because we will be having only one exercise for tomorrow topic. जो कल का हमारा topic है उसकी बहुत छोटी सी और एक ही exercise है. So I will give you the time to complete this subject verb agreement exercise tomorrow also. थोड़ा सा टाइम मैं दे दूंगी. Okay, but try to complete it today. Achha, Ahmed Hassan, can you please reply me that what is subject verb agreement? I am unmuting you, okay? I am asking to unmute you. You will respond me that what does it mean subject verb agreement? Yes, Ahmed Hassan. Ahmed Hassan, are you there? Can you reply me for the topic name? What does it mean? Ahmed Hassan, I'm not getting your voice. Okay, fine. This is exercise number 3 which we have to complete today. Okay. Okay, Ahmed. Okay, fine. Okay, it's okay. Acha, come to page number 197. Quickly, hurry up. Page number 197. At the downside of this page, you have exercise 17F. Okay, 17F. Notice that in each case, the verb is singular. Okay. Use the correct form of the simple present tense of the verb in brackets. Again, you have to use simple present tense form, okay, from the brackets. Similar exercise as you have done previously. ठीक है, अभी जो हमने last exercise की है, just like this exercise, okay. Similar exercise we have. Must agree with each other. Very good, Asiya. Shabash. Muhammad Ali, you have to complete this. It is too much, I know, but you have to complete this. These are some exercises which are including in your syllabus. That's why I'm just explaining you. You can complete it after the lecture also, okay? You can also complete this exercise after the lecture. You have to submit your copies on Saturday. So before Saturday, you can complete it. 5 points you can complete today and 5 points आप बाद में भी complete कर सकते हैं. I know your speed is not very fast. मोहम्मद अली की speed थोड़ी सी slow है. I know that, but the students are doing in the same time. No, today is not homework day, Muhammad Ahmed Hassan. We have only 2 days for homework, Monday and Wednesday. I'll not give homework today. No homework for today. Okay, is there any question about that? Or should I ask some questions to you all? Is there anything which is problematic for you all? So you can ask. Obviously, Rumesa, want is used for plural subjects and wants is used for singular subjects. Whenever you will be having singular subjects, so you have to use wants over here. Okay, S or yes with V1. और जब हमारे पास plural subject होता है तो we don't use S or yes with the V1. Okay, this is the difference only. Very good, Vanya. Shabash. Good. Acha, Vanya, you should reply me. Okay, do you have a mic? Good, Sanya, very good. Rumesa, if you have any problem in the screen, I have told you the page number plus exercise number. You can see the book also. Okay? Rumesa, you can see the book also, page number 197, exercise 17F, sorry. 17F, page number 197. You can see the book also. Okay. Rida Rahim, can you reply me why we are using does over here? Point number 7. Does everybody know? Does everybody know the picnic? Okay, why we are using does over here, Rida? Yes. Can you give me the reply in the mic? Do you have this facility? Rida Rahim, are you there? Because of question mark, Vanya, you are right. और इसके अलावा what is the reason? Because everybody is singular, and for singular we have in present simple we have two interrogative helping words, do and does. Okay, we use does for singular subjects and we use do for plural subject. As we are using does over here because it's a question, so we will not use s over here. Okay, everybody is used for plural. No, Hanya, everybody is used for singular subject. It is a singular subject. Yes, good, Rida. It is a singular sentence, okay, and we have to write it in interrogative form, so we have to use do or does. And for everybody means हर एक को पता है कि पिकनिक है, okay, everybody knows about the picnic. ठीक है, everybody means हर एक means singular. For singular we use does and for plural we use do. Okay. I have just given you I have told you something about B. Okay, this B. Okay, what is the present, past, and future? Present, past, and past participle form of B. Who will tell me about this? Iman, can you tell me about the B? B means existence of something. Okay. So B की first form, present form, past form, and past participle form. I have just told you during the lecture. Hanya, can you tell me? Hanya, can you give me the present, past, and past participle forms of B? Aisha is very active, mashallah, very alert, and she is replying very fast. Be, being, no, Kainat, no, you are wrong. Be, being, no. Hanya, I am talking about this B. This B. Everybody dash be fond of soup. What are the present, past, and past participle form of B? Aisha has already given me present and past participle form is, past participle form of B is, third form being, no Aisha, no, third form is not been. Been has third form, okay? Has, have, been. Yes, Ahmad Hassan, been plus has and have, okay? Not been. Be, been, no. Muhammad Umar, is, am, are is the first form. Is, am, are the first form of be. Was and were are the past form of the be. And has been, have been, or had been are the third form, past participle form of the be. Okay? Acha ji, the time is over now. Okay, I hope everybody will complete these 3 exercises. Okay, we will inshallah meet tomorrow. I will give you some time tomorrow also so that you can complete these exercise also. ठीक है, मैं इस completion के लिए भी आपको time दे दूँगी. And we have tomorrow the new topic, transitive and intransitive verb. Okay, inshallah we will meet tomorrow. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself, everybody. Bye.